Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations, exercise number 2, question number 10. Here is the question. A motorboat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometers on a river whose current speed is nothing but 3 kilometers per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motorboat maintained a constant speed, what was its speed in still water? Let the speed of the boat equal to x kilometer per hour. Speed of the river he given, that is 3 kilometer per hour. It is given in the question. Right? Distance he given is nothing but 24 kilometer. Now total time he given 6 hours. So in the question he was asking to find the speed of the boat. For example, so this is water. Okay, here water is there, here boat is there. Okay, boat is going towards upstream against the water. So here boat traveled a distance of 24 kilometers upstream. So then what is the speed of the boat against the stream? So that is speed of the boat against the stream is nothing but boat speed minus speed of the river. Okay, for example, the boat is traveling downstream, so speed will be x plus 3. Whenever the boat is going upstream, so that is against the water, so whenever the boat is traveling against the water, its speed becomes speed of the boat minus speed of the river. Whenever the boat is traveling along with water means downstream, so the speed of the boat will become speed of the boat plus speed of the water. Okay, so now what we will do, first we will find the time taken to travel a distance upstream. We will take first. So we know that speed is nothing but distance by time. Time is nothing but distance by speed. Okay, so for upstream, what is the distance? 24 kilometers. Speed of the boat is nothing but x minus 3. So now time taken for upstream is nothing but distance by speed, that is 24 by x minus 3. For downstream, time taken is nothing but t2 is equal to distance by speed. Here the distance is 24. Speed of the boat is nothing but x plus 3. So total time, that is 6 hours. So t1 plus t2 together it is 6 hours. So t1 plus t2 together 6 hours. So t1 is nothing but 24 by x minus 3. t2 is nothing but 24 by x plus 3. So that is equal to 6 now. So now we will solve this to get the speed of the boat. So 24 by x minus 3 plus 24 by x plus 3 is equal to 6. So in these two you take 24 common, remaining is 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3, that is equal to 6 here. So just to see here, 24 it is in multiplication, it goes to division, 6 by 24. So here you take the LCM, just cross multiplication, x plus 3, 1 into x plus 3 is nothing but x plus 3, 1 into x minus 3 is nothing but x minus 3. In the denominator, x minus 3 into x plus 3. 6 one time, 6 4 times, it is going to cancel right side. So here we left, what is left, just to see, plus 3 minus 3 is going to cancel, x plus x is nothing but 2x. In the denominator, it is looking like a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So x square minus 3 square, that is equal to 1 by 4. Now we do cross multiplication, 4 into 2x, 2x into 4, or you can write like this also. 1 into x square minus 3 square is nothing but 9 here. So this is, you see, 8x, x square minus 9. So now we bring all terms to one side. So minus x square plus 8x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now it is in standard form. It is in standard form. Minus x square plus 8x plus 9 is equal to 0. So now we have to split into factors. So 1 into 9 is nothing but 9. 1 plus 9 is nothing but 10. But difference 9 minus 1 is nothing but 8. So now you can write minus 1x square. 8x is nothing but 9x minus 1x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here you take x common, or minus x you can take common. So what is left if you write minus x outside? X minus 9. Minus into minus will be plus. Here you take minus 1x common. So minus 1 you take common. X minus 9. So x minus 9 is common. Here minus x minus 1. So one time x minus 9 is equal to 0. One time minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to nine, you will get it. Here minus x is equal to plus 1. That is nothing but x is equal to minus 1, you will get it. So now here speed, it should not be negative, so don't consider minus 1. You take that speed of the boat is nothing but 9 km per hour. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.